well, here's a quick redneck fix for you. Got my weed burner set up inside of my burner tripod. I went to warm a bucket of honey here, and this burner been sitting out on the back porch and it's all rusted and corroded. I've actually made a video before where I changed that out. That thing's like $10 on Amazon, so you can get a new one cheaper than you can clean the old one. But anyway, I went to light it and it was burning just super sooty and not clean and nasty. Like, well, crap, I really need to heat up this bucket of honey somehow. So I got a bottle of honey, and this just kind of came to me as a quick impromptu idea. So I took that burner out and just laid my weed burner in here as a way to get it stable. And then now I can set my can right back on top and get my water in there. So I heat my bucket of honey up in a water jacket in this turkey fryer. But this way I've got it at least under a stable tripod, and this weed burner is pretty doggone hot. It's a heck of a lot hotter than even that little standard is, so it won't have any problem getting this water warmed up real quick to warm this honey. So anyway, just thought I'd show it to you, quick impromptu little fix, because I don't have 2 days to wait on that to get here on Amazon. I gotta get this done today. And this way I'm not standing out here having to hold that weed burner and, you know, kind of walk circles around the pan. I'll just set it on the stand here. It'll be a little off center, but since I'm heating up a water jacket anyway, it'll be just fine. So just an idea. If you guys have to do it, give it a shot if you need to.